Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the pump case in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new pump case. The pump case houses both the drain and circulation pumps along with the pump filter. The reason why you would be replacing the pump case is because it breaks, causing a major water leak. We need to remove the front panel. Begin by taking off these two Phillips screws and pull the top plate off. Move to the front and pull out the dispenser drawer by pressing on this locking tab. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws on the sides of the dispenser. Depending on the design, your washer may have another Phillips screw at the back of the control panel on the right that has to be removed. Start on the top and pop off the clips on the top of the control panel. Lift the control panel off and place it on the top. Open the door. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry out the outer door gasket clamp. Remove the gasket from the lip on the front panel and push it inside. Reach inside, locate the wire harness plug at the bottom of the door switch, press on the locking tab and pull the plug off the switch. Close the door. Now reach down and open the pump filter door. Okay, next let's place a small towel on the floor and put a bucket on the top of it. We're going to drain the water from the washer by using this little drain hose which is attached to the pump housing. We need to pull out this cap and carefully drain the water in the bucket. In our case it's empty, but yours will be full. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the bottom screw. Remove the cover. Remove this screw. Use the same Phillips screwdriver to remove 4 screws at the top. Tilt the front panel towards you and lift it off the bottom hinges. Using the pliers, move the drain hose clamp up and remove the drain hose from the pump case. Then, remove the hose on the right. Place a towel or a bowl underneath the pump to top hose. Then use the pliers to squeeze the clamp and remove the hose from the pump case. Now we're going to use the Phillips screwdriver and remove 2 screws above the filter. Then reach at the back of the pump case assembly with your right hand and push down on the locking tab at the base of the washer. Then slide the pump case assembly back to remove it. Here on the left side, as you can see, the black wire goes to L and the brown wire goes to N. Disconnect both wires and remove them from the clip. Turn the pump case assembly around, release the wires from the clip, and disconnect these 2 wires. Note, the blue wire is connected to L and the black to N. Take the pump case assembly out. Here's the old pump case assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. For the water to go through the circulation pump, we need to break this plug out using the flat blade screwdriver and a pair of pliers. And now I would like to start transferring all the pieces from the old pump case assembly. And we will start with this little drain hose. Just pull it off and slide it onto the port in the new pump case. Next, let's unscrew and pull out the filter and install it in the new pump case. Now we will transfer the drain pump. Make sure this screw goes into the same position on the new pump case as it did on the old one. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the 3 screws and remove the drain pump. Take a moment to clean the drain pump with the soapy water and dry it off. Install the pump into the new housing and secure it with the Phillips screws. Next, we will work on the circulation pump. Again, make sure that this screw will go into this hole so that the rotation of the circulation pump will be the same on the new one as it was on the old one. Unscrew the 3 Phillips screws and remove the circulation pump. It's best if the seal area is washed with soapy water and wiped clean. Be careful and don't soap the motor itself. Place the pump into the pump case and secure it with the 3 Phillips screws. Here's the pump case assembly ready to go in. Connect the wires on the right. Blue to L and black to N. Then connect the wires on the left. Black to L and brown to N. Put the wires into the clips. Place the pump case assembly inside the washer. Place the small drain hose under the pump case and pull it through the opening in the front. Slide the pump case foot into the bracket and push it forward so the locking tab at the base locks the pump case. Secure the pump case assembly with 2 Phillips screws. Now install the pump to tub hose and using the pliers, secure it with the clamp. Slide on the hose on the right. Install the drain hose and using pliers, secure it with the clamp. Place the front panel on the bottom hinges and push it forward. Secure it with the 4 screws on the top. Install the bottom screw. Put the filter case on and secure it with the Phillips screw. Then you can close the nozzle. Clamp the drain hose in and close the door. Open the door. Reach inside, grab the wire harness plug and connect it to the door switch. Install the door gasket around the front panel lip. Place the other door gasket clamp with the spring at 6 o'clock over the gasket. Use the flat blade screwdriver to place it into the spring loop and stretch the spring to put the rest of the clamp over the gasket. Install the control panel and lock all the clips. Install the 2 Phillips screws at the dispenser and one on the right if it's required. Slide the drawer in. Place the top plate on and push it forward until it locks in. Secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Looks like we're done with the repair. Plug the washer in, turn the water on, and make sure it works. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.